I'm Gracie.
And I'm Lindsay.
And today we are doing a really cool DIY for you. It is how to do laundry detergent on your own. Make it from home.
I love it.
Yes. Very easy, very simple. You need borax, you need Arm & Hammer, the washing soda. Make sure it's not just baking soda, but it's the washing soda. Also, I've already taken the ivory soap and I've grated it. So you just need a cheese grater and grate it. And then you need a 1 cup measuring. So first things first is you will start off, Lindsay, if you want to start off with the grated soap.
Do you mind if I start with baking soda?
No.
It already seems to be a little bit in the cup.
All right, that's perfect.
You said a cup?
A cup of that. So it'll just be a cup of the washing.
Yes, thank you.
We're gonna open this bad boy. Well, I say we're going to, but there we go.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
And there's a
flowing out now. All right, and then we need a cup of borax. Since you've already got that one so close.
They look very similar.
They do.
What's last?
So now it's 2 cups of the actual ivory soap, yes. And you can use different soaps. They talk about like a lavender scent if you wanted to. But this would be more for like just sensitive skin maybe.
Yeah.
All right, and now that we've got all of that put in there, then you can use a spoon, but I'm gonna let you use your hands.
I would love to use my hands.
And then just get all that mixed in there really good. And it's suggested that you use maybe like about 1/4 of a cup.
Okay.
When you're actually doing, if you have, you know, a medium to large load.
Okay.
But I think you're gonna find that it's gonna be a little bit you know, you'll find the right consistency.
Right.
When you're actually doing.
This makes me want to go home and do some laundry.
No. No.
It smells so good.
All right, and then once you get it mixed really well, I've got us another Ziploc bag, and then that way you can keep it fresh and right there available. You can also buy a container and then just keep putting that in there as you do that. All right,
ready?
I'll hold it. And then if you don't feel like it's mixed well enough, woo, those were in the eyeballs. And if you don't feel like it's mixed well enough, then you can mix it up a little bit more in the bag. I would probably shake it every time anyway, so that way you're getting that right consistency. So 1, 2, 3, that's as easy as it is to make this homemade laundry detergent.
Which is nice if you're running out of stuff. You don't want to go to the store anytime soon. Hopefully you have the ingredients in your own house.
And it is a lot cheaper to buy all of that ingredient, or you get so much more bang for your buck.
Yeah. That's awesome.
All right, Lindsay, now that we've made the laundry detergent, maybe we should do something else for the home, like an all-purpose cleaner?
I love it. I love cleaning. I know that's not a very popular opinion, but I do.
No. So this one is pretty simple too. It's lemon juice. It's hydrogen peroxide. I have our own little spray bottle. You can make it bigger or smaller, but that one seems to work. And just water. We'll need a measuring cup for 1 cup and then a 1/2 of a cup as well. And then I also have a little funnel so we don't spill it all over the place.
Really?
So there we go. And first things first is we're going to start off with 2 cups of water.
Okay.
And I will let you grab the 2 cups and I will hold that for you. How about that? Teamwork?
Yep. I don't know if you gave this job to the right person. Is this distilled water or is this just like tap?
You can use pretty much, I think, anything you want. I mean, the one that we have is purified.
Okay. Sorry, Gracie.
You're all right.
Sorry, everybody at home.
Let me move these so they can see that too. There we go.
First cup, first cup.
And there are many other all-purpose cleaners as well. This was just one that, you know, we've used before, and I like it, so.
And there are some little measuring cups that have like the little lip on them, which make it really easy to pour.
To pour?
So if you have one of those, you'll do a better job than I.
Which is fine. It's what these
So
tables,
nice to me.
This is what these tables are for. They're meant to have a little mess on them.
It's fine.
Because they clean up really well.
I'm very concentrated.
I know. All right, so then we're going to need a cup of hydrogen peroxide.
Sorry. A whole cup?
A whole cup.
This might take me a second.
Well, if you want to put like half in it and pour it and then do like another half. That way, if you feel like you're going to spill it, you know.
Does that look like half?
That looks like half. Yeah, it really does. We're going to call it half.
It's fine. And I am worried I'm going to spill it. I'm always worried I'm going to spill it.
Awesome.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm not trying to make this even.
That looks good.
I need some elevator music in here. Why?
All right, and then we need a fourth of the lemon juice. And I'm sorry, I only had a half, so now you get to do a half of a half. How about that? Is that perfect? We're learning how to do our measurements as well during this time.
Look good to you?
Looks good. Just make everything smell lemony fresh. Alright. Let me just get our lid back on there. Tighten it up really good. And shake it. And there you go. You've got an all-purpose cleaner right there. Simple, easy, fast. You've got laundry detergent. Now you can go clean the kitchen, the bathroom.
I'm ready, I don't have to worry about the fumes of bleach.
That's right. That's right.
And my cleaning. Awesome.
That's right. All right. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye.